Let me tell you something. The devil is not playing. He knows his time is near. He knows his fate. And what he's trying to do is get as many people to go with him as possible. You are nothing but trophies to the devil to throw up in God's face. I got him. I got her. I told you she wouldn't serve you. I told you he wouldn't serve you. That's all you are to him, a trophy. Because he knows he's done. He's doomed. He's done. He wants you to be done with him. So many of God's creation is, watch this, choosing to live with the devil.